Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the manual transmission oil on Volkswagen EOS. This car is using the O2Q 6-speed manual transmission. On this transmission there is a drain plug on bottom of the transmission and a fuel plug on the front of the transmission. To get access to the transmission, first we need to remove the engine under tray. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Now we have access to the transmission. Here is the fuel plug right there, and this is the drain plug right there. Before joining the transmission, first we need to loosen the fuel plug to make sure that we can add oil later on. This is the fuel plug right there, and this is the drain plug. To remove those two bolts you need special tool. It's M16 with a hole in the middle, like that. That's the tool you need to remove the two plugs. So first we're going to remove the fuel plug, and then we're going to remove the drain plug. That's the fuel plug removed, and we can see there is some oil coming out. That means that oil is at maximum level. Next we're going to remove the drain plug. That's the drain plug removed. Now we're going to wait for the oil to drain. After the oil drains, we're going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. That's the drain plug tightened. Before I add the oil to the transmission, first I'll show you in the service manual the specifications for this transmission. It's 75W80G04 oil, 2.3 liters, and drain plug torque capacity is 30 Newton meters. This is the oil that I'm going to use to fuel the transmission. You need to add about around 2.3 liters until the transmission gets to the maximum level. I'm going to fill the oil with my big syringe. I'm taking the oil out of the bottle and putting it into the transmission. This fuel plug is also, the filler hole is also a level hole, so once the oil starts dripping from the level hole, from the filler hole, that means that the oil in the transmission is at maximum level. So once the oil starts flowing from the filler hole, then we're going to put the filler plug back on. Here we've already added about 2 liters of oil. Now we're going to add some more, and it should start flowing back from the level hole. Here we can see that oil started flowing back from the level hole, so that means the oil in the transmission is at maximum level. So now next we're going to put the filler plug back on and tighten it. Once we tighten the filler plug, then we're done with replacing the transmission oil on this car. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.